welcome to the new year. Of course, this is your favorite real estate agent, Walter Davis, here with the Walter Davis Real Estate Group here in Keller Williams in Spring, Texas. And today, I want to focus some of our energy on, it's the new year. It's the first week of January. And what's most important is a lot of you guys out there are really thinking about buying a home this year, especially with interest rates being where they are. And some just are just tired of renting, and that's a good reason to buy a home as well. So today we're going to focus on some key points, I think, to make sure that when you step out to go buy your home, that you hit that goal this year and buy it. And so let's talk about, how to hit that goal and some of the steps that I think we should keep in place. So if you're looking to buy a home, you may want to put these items that I'm talking about on your to-do list to ensure that you hit the goal of buying your home this year. The first one is save for your down payment. To help you reach your savings goal, automate your checking account and set aside a portion of each paycheck to go directly into your home buying fund. Now, many of you out there, we talk about down payments all the time, and we're going to have some items that are value for you in regards to down payment grants, but you always want to have some money for closing costs, for moving costs, for any of that stuff. And the more money you can save for that down payment, the lower that monthly mortgage will be for you because you're putting more money down, which is always a good option. Second, work on your credit. Your credit score impacts your future home loan. So consider credit monitoring so that you can keep track of your spending record and improve your score. Now, my team, we have resources for that. We are partnered with a credit agency that can assist you in restoring your credit or helping you build your credit. But for those of you out there that go to look at your score and you're maintaining your score now, that is great. A good credit score is above 780. Okay, 750 or higher, that's a pretty good credit score. I see a lot of people that want to buy homes that are in the low sixes into the fives many times as first-time home buyers. Now, there's programs that are available for you that can assist you there, but the better your score, the better your interest rate. So what we want to do is we want to get your scores up by you starting to monitor that score and understanding what your credit score is today, puts you in a better position of understanding what it will take to make the next steps towards buying a home. Now, this next step, which I think this tip is probably one of the most important ones, is I'd say work with the real estate professional. Connect with a trusted real estate advisor so that you have expert advice on how to reach your goals throughout the process. As you know, buying a home is a process. It's not like going and buying a pair of shoes. You got to get the pre-approval for financing. Then you have to find a real estate professional to help you find a home. Then you got to get an inspection done. Then you got to There's a lot of little processes in this. Why not deal with an expert that deals with this every single day that can help guide you and make this process a little bit easier for you? At the end of the day, a real estate professional's goal is to make this process smooth and efficient and really give you an opportunity to enjoy the process and not be stressed out by the process. The final tip that I want to leave with you on this is get pre-approved early. So, you want to contact the loan officer to get a pre-approval letter. Pre-approval letter, that's your golden ticket. This way, you'll know how much you can borrow. Your agent can help you find a mortgage professional to work with. But I think the biggest key is not only does it give you or show you how much you can borrow, most importantly, it can give you an estimate of what that monthly note will look like with principal, interest, taxes, insurance, and mortgage insurance all included, because that's what most people are concerned most about. But I tell you, many of us out there who are renting, if you're renting and you're paying $1,200 or more, $1,500 or more, or higher. I know some clients that I've had paying $1,800, $1,900. You're paying a mortgage right now. The only difference is you're paying someone else's mortgage. Someone else gets the benefits to what you're paying every single month. Why not put those benefits in your pocket for your family to take advantage of? And that's why it's so important to make this goal, set this goal for this year in 2022 while these interest rates are still low, and take advantage of the grants and the things that are available. But as I said before, if I was to hit all the points again, save for a down payment, take it right off the top. Just set it for an automatic on your checking account into your housing fund. Work on your credit. We have resources for you. You can reach us directly, and we can partner you with some of our credit resources that can help you rebuild or restore your credit. Work with the real estate professional. Of course, my team would love to work with you and help guide you through this process. And lastly, get a pre-approval letter. Get all those numbers out of the way so you know exactly kind of what you're looking at from a day-to-day, month-to-month type of spending, so that when you get to the final closing day and go to get your keys, you already know how much you've budgeted for in regards to financing that home. So, if you're looking to buy a home, you may want to put all three of these items or four of these items on your to-do list to ensure that you hit those goals. It's important to start working on your credit, like I said a little bit earlier, and saving for your down payment as early as possible. I always say, as soon as the thought comes to mind, start working on it, get in contact with us, start putting some money aside, because it'll move faster than you think. And when you're ready to begin that search, we'll connect with you and start that process as well on finding the right home in the right neighborhood at the right schools for the right price just for you, so that you can live in the home of your dreams and start paying your own mortgage. Lastly, I want to reach out to any of you guys out there that are renting right now. Many of you have just signed a lease. Some of you have signed an apartment lease. There's so many benefits to home ownership. I have a couple of videos back that you could look at that I talk about some of those benefits of why you'd want to be a homeowner versus a renter. At the end of the day, it's going to increase your net worth, and it's going to give you a place that's yours, that you can do whatever you want with. That's your property. I always like to put that little bit on there that it's kind of like a long-term savings plan too, because one day you'll have equity in that property, X amount of equity, whether it be 50% or 100% of the property's worth. You'll have paid that house off and had equity where you'll be able to pull out that money and use that towards something else, whether it be a college education, whether it be a vacation of a lifetime, or anything. That's the beauty of when you own the property, that you get as some of the benefits that goes into that. So as always, I hope we brought some value for you today in regards to setting that goal to buy a home this year, 2022. If you like the information that we gave, go ahead and hit that notification down below. The notification note will let you know anytime we put any new videos out that's talking about real estate, the real Houston market, the Texas market, buying, selling, investing, all those things. We'll be talking about all of that this year, but we'll be spending a lot of times on helping homeowners sell homes and helping future homeowners buy homes, because that's really where we love to spend our time, is helping people change their lives and buying a new home. So as always, feel free to put the comments down below or reach out to me directly. You can call me at 832-257-9083, or you can visit our website at www.myluxuryagent.com We'd love to work with you. Stay safe out there. Stay healthy. God bless. And I look forward to seeing you next time on Walter's Updates. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.
I hit record a drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier.